Welcome to Hallman Roofing, your premier roofing company in Hickory, North Carolina. At Hallman Roofing, we take pride in providing top-notch roofing solutions tailored to your needs. With years of experience serving the Hickory community, our expert team is well equipped to handle any roofing project, big or small. Whether you need roof repairs, replacements, or installations, we've got you covered. Our commitment to using high-quality materials ensures the durability and longevity of your new roof. At Hallman Roofing, we understand that your home is your most significant investment and treat it with the utmost care and respect. Customer satisfaction is our top priority, and we go the extra mile to exceed your expectations. When you choose us as your roofing partner, you can rest assured that your project will be completed on time and within budget. Ready to get started? Call us today at 828-999-2929, and our friendly team will gladly assist you. For more information about our roofing services in Hickory, North Carolina, visit us at hallmanroofing.com/location/hickory-nc-roof-replacement-and-repair. Hallman Roofing, your trusted roofing experts, protecting what matters most above your head.